So in front of me I've got Nextbase rear camera. In this video I'll show you how to attach it to rear windshield. To attach it to rear windshield, firstly use wet wipes and dry wipe. Clean deeply and degrease the rear windshield in the place you would like to attach the rear camera. Next, remove this red sticker and stick it to the windshield. Right here we've got the additional sticker, thanks to which we can replace this one. Next, let me just cover it. Next, use this tool to direct the cable under the roof of your car. The last step is connecting this cable to this cable. This one is the extension that has to be connected with the main camera in the front of the car. Connect it via USB cable and again use this tool to hide the cable under the roof of your car. Additionally, you can use this part for additional support. In the end, in the set, we've got two zip ties we can also use to organize cables. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.